Good morning, good morning, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. We're live Thursday, November 6th. Who's ready to make some money? Because I know I am. And I did something I normally don't do. I gotta admit, I took a trade this morning when I first got on the charts because I saw the bear flag.
Where was it, Southern?
So I had to put some money in. So up for the day so far, $5.50 for the day, because I had two accounts copy traded on this account. Well, on a lower contract. So it made $5.50 so far for the day. No complaints there.
We are right at the VWAP and below the EMA. So we got to bring all our tools into play.
Well, I want to see us get below the 700, just me personally, because I was looking at the overnight session. We have a pivot point down at around 630, and every time the market went down, it tapped it and shot right off of it, pushing back up. So
time to make some money.
I kind of want to see that happen again. And since I know the previous times we touched it and popped up, I'll be looking for a long from that pivot for the bounce. But that's just me. But yep, this morning some perfect bear flags. Oh, me right here. I saw this one. I went, huh? That's a bear flag. I didn't take it because I don't trade the pre-market.
Oh, but you did trade the pre-market.
But then when I saw this one, I'm like, the market repeats itself. Gentlemen. So I had to take it on the second one.
I traded on the first one. And I'm green. I just wanted to keep showing you what victory looks like.
Slow and steady.
I just want you to be happy.
Oh, I'm definitely happy for you. You're seeing green. That's all that matters. So when I saw the second one, I took it. Then that's all she wrote. We're gonna keep putting money in all the accounts today. Waiting for market open here.
About 7 minutes on my mark. 3, 2, and 1, go.
Man, oh man. No news today. So we're going to see what we get. Right now, we may be building out a big bear flag right here on this 2 minute. This would be the flag right there. But I want it to hold until market open, because looking at this 5 minute, that's looking like the push up for the drop down as well. So just want to see what we get. Good morning, Vatone. Welcome, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
How we doing this morning?
Vatone, it's another day in paradise, so I can't complain.
Yeah, it's a good day. And the only thing that going against me is like, we have like this electric scooter thing that I had, and so I need to replace the rear tire on that. It's like my son rode it, and then like at the same thing, I have a hand truck and a wheelbarrow that all need an inner tube. So I feel like I'm gonna be in a tire repair shop today. But and so yeah, it's like that's kind of interesting. But
there goes that bear flag right there. Let's see if it has the follow through.
Oh yeah. I haven't changed an inner tube in 30 years. Probably 35 years, but I'm gonna do like 4 of them in a row. So,
well, you'll make up for lost time.
Order filled.
No order filled. I'm waiting until market open at this point.
Up for lost time.
But look at that bear flag right there, playing out nicely. The flags, when they repeat themselves, makes it easy for us. Makes it easy for us.
TradeFi keeps saying, like, like getting pushier and pushier about getting into the cup. Like, register now or I regret it later. Like, stop it.
Let me check my ranking. Yeah, so at 1368, I'll trade it later today.
Why don't you tell your legacy followers on YouTube the code that they need to use to get the supreme rates?
If you want I'll let them know. For the people on YouTube, if you want to get the best rates with TradeFi, that's the prop firm we trade with at the Legacy Wealth Society. We trade with others as well, but our main one is TradeFi. Use the code capital LWS for Legacy Wealth Society, and that will get you the best rate on any of their accounts. So keep that in mind next time you're on their site, and we'll take it. I'm just ready for market open here.
Well, you're going to have to wait a little longer, over at 3 minutes and 14 seconds.
I'm just ready to make a couple dollars, couple thousand. Whatever we get, we'll take.
Okay, so what? 7:38. We have a marker. What was the close of yesterday?
Closer yesterday, 729. 729.
Wow, so we're really right in that area.
Yeah. Well, I'm excited. I'm excited to see, since it's been coming down since what time? Since 8:36, we've been dropping down here. And mind you, that it was all the way up at 822. And it dropped over 100 points. So lots of selling pressure. But we got that pivot point down there at the 630.25. That's a key level. So if we go down there, we got to be careful at that pivot, because every time we've touched it, we bounced up off of it and pushed up. So I want us to lose it to take a short, or use that bounce to take a long if it pushes back up off of it.
And that was like the 620, right? Or
630.
Look, I'm not waking up by 6:30. No, I'm just
All right, another bear flag on the 2-minute chart. When these flags are repeating themselves, gentlemen, don't fight it. Take it. We got a minute left before market opens, so I'm holding, I'm waiting.
Gotta know when to hold 'em.
Yeah, so that's another bear flag on that 2-minute.
All right.
Yeah, here we go. Here's market open. There's market open right there for you. Let's see what type of action we get here. We got the VWAP above us up at 716.75.
I have a 717.86 on the Ninja in 2 minutes. I like when we're in the same neighborhood. You know what I mean? I'm glad you're not trading yet. Oh, wait.
Just add another $300 right there.
And that 30 is right where it bounced up every time, right?
This morning, yes. That 630.25. Whenever we touched it, it bounced off previously for that overnight session. It was tested twice. So if we tap it, I would expect a push up off of it. But if we lose it like just a massive waterfall, then that support zone finally broke. So, but I would expect, for me personally, I would wait for it to touch to see if it pushes up off of it. Yeah, but we have had a lot of bear flags this morning. Good morning, Moose.
Good morning.
Glad you could tune in, sir.
Muchas gracias.
De nada.
Did you take anything?
I took some trades pre-market today, actually, where I jumped on the chart.
He's a trading fool right now.
And then I did take another one right after market open.
Oh, snap.
So up for the day, just over $850 so far.
Nice.
We did not touch that pivot point yet. I want to see us touch it and then bounce up off of it. And since we're somewhat close to that pivot, I'm not going to take the short down to it, only because I don't want to be in just in case it pops right up off of it.
Totally. We're on it. What's going to happen?
We almost touched it.
Looks like it touched on mine, but
like on mine, we were just like, it's like right there. It's like right there, because we bounced, we popped up, we tapped 630.75. The pivot is at 630.50. So like we were super close to touching it.
Oh, okay.
And since we didn't touch it, it's still acting as a magnet. It's going to pull that price down to it. Not jumping in yet. Like I said, just waiting. We should be coming out to touch it potentially right now, looking at these Rincos. All right, there's the pivot touch. Let's see if we lose it or we bounce off of it here.
518.
Well, congratulations, sir.
I'm done for the day.
Don't trade it.
No, I'm good right now. I'm good actually. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. I'll probably wait till 10. So depending on how this the last 30 closes.
Consolidating right below this pivot. We have had a lot of bear flags this morning. All right. I think I'm done trading this account for the day.
Hey, Duane, how many funded do you have right now?
Right now, I have three funded.
Three?
Yes, sir.
Same brokerage?
Tradeify and Take Profit.
Okay. And how many total accounts do you have?
Total accounts, I have
Can't count that high.
no. 6 total accounts.
What about that tick thing that your brother was talking about that you got banned on? How'd that work out?
I never really did it, to be real with you.
But I thought you already said you got one, or did I misunderstand?
No, I had funding I got an eval, but they put a bad taste in my mouth because I didn't trade it for 7 days.
Oh, that's right. There's that one.
And then they like canceled it, but they don't give you your money back. Like, and that part I didn't like, to be real.
Yeah, but you're like the opposite of that. You're gonna be hitting that like a all-you-can-eat meat bar every day. You're gonna be on that account.
Yeah. All right, so starting to push off of that pivot point. Oh, whoa. What was that? That was weird. Got 6 more minutes for 9:45. Want to see if we start reaching here. We do have a current wick on the 2-minute candle. How I close it and lose? That's crazy. Saw the bear flag on the 2 minute.
Yesterday, I jumped in a position. I was gonna take my 140. I was like, yeah, you know what? I'll take the 140 real quick. I got out. I made $1.16. How fast it made me want to jump back in. I was like,
oh, it's annoying sometimes. It's like I closed it. I'm like, how did I just lose money? Like that doesn't even make sense.
I know.
Like I closed in the green, but that split second of me closing, it put me in red. That's wild.
Oh, look at this meltdown. Oh,
We're at the whole number influence breaking through.
Jesus Christ. Where's it going? Oh, right here. 529. Let's put it over here. Right there. Come on, we trace a little bit so I can jump in. Come on, be nice to me.
Let's see.
Oh, your motherfucker.
I almost broke one of my rules right there, but I checked myself. I was getting ready to trade one of my funded accounts, but I just stopped myself.
I did as well.
For that
until
one.
Until I looked at the 1 hour and I saw I had no wick at the bottom. I was like, yeah, I'm at the very bottom of this candle. Nah, let me stop. I literally was about to jump in.
Let's see if we build out another bear flag because we had this one. So let's see if we get another one. 2 more minutes for that 9:45 time frame. No news today. Check that actually. Or we're waiting for this bear flag. Okay, so yeah, that copy trader is like really good actually. I like that. We have less than 30 seconds left on this candle for the new one to print. I want this candle to stay green so the next one could be red to take us lower. So I need the bulls to hold this price up for 10 more seconds. Let's see if we get some structure for this flag. Want to see the momentum here? Quick 140 right there. We didn't break through that yellow line yet. So we may be just adding some more structure to this flag here.
Can you please remove your yellow line? Thank you.
I want to remove it, but it's helping me with the visual right now.
Thank you, the management.
Welcome to the YouTube stream for the people over there. Hopefully you're staying safe in the markets today. It's officially 9:45. Waiting for that 9:46. Going back up to that key pivot point for the overnight session. if we clear that one of the previous candles wicks, I'll look for a long here. Let's see if we use this pivot point as a trampoline and tap it, push up off of it. $660 on that trade. We'll take it. We will take it. Let's rotate. I think I got, let's see which one. I traded those 4. I don't think I traded that one yet. Let's see. All right, have not traded this one.
Are you
yet.
still doing 4 contracts or 2 contracts?
I dropped it down to 2. I dropped it down to 2 contracts.
Nice. And you made 660 right now.
Yeah, on the last trade I just took, it was for 660.
That's beautiful.
I like it because my feet don't sweat, as you would say, Moose.
Dude, so unhygienic. It's really your legacy.
My feet be moist.
Oh, dude. I'm gonna like go buy some fast-acting Tanac and get that athlete's foot under control, sucker.
Yo, this is not an athlete. This is a marathon right here. This is 26 miles in 3 seconds on my feet.
Let's see.
You gotta trust your intuition though. Come on, give me a little quick retrace.
So up over $2,000 for the day.
Damn, that sounds beautiful, right?
Only trading 2 contracts, mind you.
Beautiful.
Want to see us get above that 21 EMA, so I can tell my girl I was right. You know what I'm saying? Because this morning I rolled over. You know, I just looked at the charts this morning on the phone on TradingView. I'm like, man, that pivot point was acting as a support for the market. Every time we would come down and touch it, we would bounce off of it. So if we get back down there, I want to see it happen again. I want to see it bounce.
You told your girl this in bed? Like that's what she wants to hear first thing in the morning? Tell me about your pivot.
Well, she was out of bed actually getting the kids ready for school. So I was in bed. She was in the room. I was just talking to her.
You know, that's your version of pillow talk, I guess. You could do like a soul song about
Hey, baby, you like that pivot point? You know what I'm saying? Like,
I got a pivot point, and it's going to be a rebound. Whoa.
Whoa, man, look at that.
what did I miss? I heard a lot of woes.
You know what's crazy? I was about to jump in, and the spread was crazy.
Yeah,
Never mind.
The Renko bars just shot across the chart.
Oh, my Lanta. Damn. So so mad. I was waiting for it to retrace to the top of the other bot, the prior 5-minute body, and it jumped way too far down for me. Now I don't want to jump in.
No, the moose I know always jumps in.
No, not right now. This moose is chicken.
I'll take that.
Yeah,
Got a
now
little
that-
extra
now that
contract
it's
for
in
this
that
week.
ring.
Whoa, whoa, look at this thing dumping.
Man, I'm so mad right now. Don't tell me. Oh my god. Ugh.
Well, we're going to stair step. So whenever we hit the low for the day, right, we'll pop up. We've been bearish all day, so it's going to keep coming down. You just got time with the Rincos when to jump in after it does the quick pop up.
Do the pot.
544 is the bottom, right? Of the day. Let's see. Man, how annoying. I'm doing good. Don't give it back.
Yep, don't give it back, Moose. It's not worth giving it back.
No.
$280 right there on that trade.
Son of a... Mother... Control yourself. You gotta talk to yourself.
I don't talk to myself. Oh, that's kind of
He
weird.
listens to himself though. He's like, I'm gonna not trade for 15 minutes.
No, I talk to myself and I answer myself.
Yeah, that's not cool. Like, that sounds like my kid. Like, we asked him a question, our oldest son, we asked him a question the other day, and he was asking himself, how should he answer? And we're like, what is this? Absolutely not. Like, what?
That is hilarious.
Hey, man, how should we answer this? Like, what? Like, do you need a psych ward? Like, hold up.
That's funny, though. Hey, at least he's trying to answer so he doesn't get in trouble. I'm with him.
I was like, that is wild.
What
Like,
I
we were
wanna
like-
say, though, is I like this moose guy. He's amazing. It's a fucking treasure right here.
Absolutely.
Boy, it got real quiet when I said that, moose.
No. Sorry, I'm like, I was answering the text.
And then Duane looks away. He's not even looking at the camera at this point.
It's not you, it's me, Steve. Okay?
Well,
I know.
I've heard that on a breakup.
I know.
No, looking like a bear flag on the 2 minute. Looking like a bear flag on the 2 minute. Just want to call that out there real quick for you guys. Looking like a bear flag.
Yeah, but I feel like it's far down already.
And honestly, I may actually just switch over to only trading for this bottom screen on my chart, the 2 minute, because it's so much cleaner. Less noise. And it keeps me like locked into like the strategy, you know what I'm saying? Because if I flip over here to this 1 minute,
I haven't.
the 1 minute's not bad today, but
So Moose, the Moose Meister, like, posted his thing in a group, right?
Uh-huh.
You posted your picture of your rig in the group, right?
Did I? I think.
I don't know.
Oh no, I
don't
didn't.
see it. Well, what are you waiting for, sucker?
Hold on.
I think we should all post like our views, and just tell like Duane he doesn't have to be stealthy this time.
240 right there on that trade
Oh my god.
with two
why am I so
contracts.
scared? and then I get ballsy, jump in, and then I lose money.
Well, don't get ballsy. Not in this instance.
No, it's too far down. To me, it's too far down.
Well, yeah, I know you're trading a hybrid strategy than what we trade. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, the flags always repeat themselves.
Oh no, absolutely. You know, but I don't have that here, so I can't. You know.
You do have it there though.
Hey, so I posted a picture of my rig on there so you could see it. So do yours, man.
I'll take a look at it.
Yeah, I'll post a picture of my rig as well today.
We're all posting them.
Yeah, but Tone is too, I'm sure.
Shit.
What's the read?
Oh, just our monitor set up, all that.
I can do that.
Like how your charts, like how your chart setup is.
I can do that.
I know what beeswax, you know.
Not the beeswax.
Yeah, I'm so
Hey,
bad.
none of your beeswax, man.
I just showed my age.
All of a
Listen,
sudden I
it's
felt
so
like,
bad.
like third grade again or something.
I know this was gonna happen, and I got too scared. Fuck.
Fear not, friend.
Oh, currently over $2,300 for the day.
Oh man, I'm so angry right now. Look at this meltdown, and I'm definitely not gonna trade until the next candle.
Yesterday's low, 488. 488 for yesterday's low. We broke out of that 15-minute range. We had a bear flag print right underneath that 15-minute range. And we've been selling off. We just hit our first target. Just passed right through that first target. Second target now is down at 486. So I'll just be targeting that 488 to the low side here. So let's see if we get another bear flag. Want to push up? I want us to build a bear flag underneath that first target we just tapped. It'll give me the warm and fuzzies.
That always scares me when you say that.
Well, I'm not trying to scare anybody. I apologize.
I just imagine you waking up, you got that like deep voice, and you're just sleeping. Hey, baby, I've been to VWAP. It's like on the pivot point. Ah!
I'm killing the market today. Again? How much did you make?
Well, you gotta go full screen.
Oh, full screen. We're killing the market today.
Shit's getting real. You know what I mean?
It's
like,
when this mask comes out, it is extremely real. Okay.
I'm not even sure what that is, but you know, it's like there's like pictures on my feed of people with kids dressing up. I didn't even know what their costumes were, man. It's like, what
So
is
I
that?
got this one because this is from a movie that I love called The Purge. From one of their movies, this is the type of mask they had in that movie.
Purge.
It's you know, it's fun and approachable and terrifying at the same time. Hey man, are you doing white face? Suck up.
White face. Still selling off here.
I can't believe this. It's crazy. This candle was bananas right here. What? Still gonna drop?
Almost tapped at yesterday's low.
Oh, this is crazy. I can't believe I chickened out.
Well, don't be a chicken, but get another eval and don't waste that 500. Uncle Moose.
I'm done.
Uncle Moose.
Cool. But right now, I'm just gonna watch it because I feel I'm too far.
All right, 670 put in this account.
I punked
We're,
out.
we're
already.
just killing the fucking market today.
How much you put into it?
We pushed through. We just pushed through that second target. Third target, people. 436 is the third target. Third target, 436. Let me come back.
Come back, yeah.
All right, I'm back. I'm sorry about that, guys. That ultra ego was trying to come out right there. No, but if you guys want, I don't know what type of movies you guys like. For me, like I like government type movies sometimes, everything like that. But The Purge, they have like four movies. Crazy. Have any of you guys seen The Purge movies or no?
Yeah, for sure. I have.
So The Purge is based on one night a year. This is what the government does to like keep people in check. There's no laws.
Okay, so it's like Anarchy Day.
Exactly.
It's like Jubilee, but in reverse.
100%. So it's a movie, and it gets better after the first movie being real, and it's just showing like different people trying to live through the purge.
Okay, yeah. It's kind of like the great like reset like of things. So it's just like
where there's no paramedics, no firefighters, no cops, nothing. For that one night, and this market is just absolutely losing itself.
Oh my Lanta. Well, I made my 500.
Hey, that's all that matters.
No, I should have made more because I just got scared.
Get another eval and pass it. You're out of control. You're so amazing right now. It's insane.
I'm so mad right now. Not amazing. I'm amazingly mad.
I don't know how I just closed out. I lost some on that one.
I'm so
slightly annoying.
I should have not been scared. I know my shit. Why am I scared?
You're not.
This is gonna bug me all day today.
Well, you're $500 richer, so let that bug you instead.
Facts.
Yeah. Well, shit. I could have been $500 poorer. You're right.
How did I just scratch? I may have to be done trading on this account. I just closed in profit by scratch, so I made nothing on that trade. Didn't lose anything either, but slightly annoying. Slightly annoying.
To win the cup, though, you got to get in and be number one.
Well, honestly, I'm not trying to win the cup. I just want to see how low I can get my rank. To be completely honest with you.
The that I know, okay? Victor every time.
100%. For me, this is like my first time ever like trying anything where I'm competing at trading. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to see how low I could get my rank. Making new lows once again. This is crazy.
I'm so... The worst part is I'm not going to be here for 11:30 to catch the flip.
I wonder if this is because of the news coming out that they're going to have to close airspace on Friday.
Oh, shoot. No way.
Because of not having enough air traffic controllers. Because people aren't getting paid.
Oh, that's crazy.
Oh, yeah, it's just the Democrats trying to hold
Strong
up.
arm.
Yeah.
And it shows, right? Mind you, it's today I think is the 36th day of the government being closed.
Yeah.
And
Have your lives been affected?
yeah, no, but I
Absolutely.
mean, the thing is, it's just like, I will never support a party that doesn't know what a man and a woman is.
I agree.
Good point. Good point. You don't understand biology.
like giving citizens benefits away to non-citizens that do better than the citizens. People wandering across the border are making more in Social Security than the lifelong workers. That's insane.
Yeah.
You know how I explained it to somebody? A female she's gay, right? And she was like, oh, why can't it be, all right? I was like, look, I get it. That's what you're into. But I know, even in electronics, if you put a male and a male plug together, it won't work. I was like, It's got to have a male and female. Yeah, she just looked at me like dumbfounded. She was like, well, I'm not an electronic. I'm like, well, that's different. And then I told there was another. Surprisingly, there's a lot of LGBTQZY123s in Orlando, and this male that I was cutting his hair, he told me he wanted to he wanted to go through his process. And I was like, all right, cool, it's changing, Yo, he was so adamant of making me want to call him a female. And I stepped back and I looked at him dead in his eyes and said, "You're never going to have ovaries."
Yeah, that crap. I mean, it's like my wife and anybody that lives with a woman or knows what a woman is, and they have their monthly cycle and all that stuff and childbirth. Don't try to mock that because you're not much of a man.
Yeah.
And then I was in a store one time. He had the 5'3" bull dyke with the flannel on. It kind of sizing me up. It's like, listen, fool, you're not a man either. You know what I mean? It's so stop. People just need to stop being wackadoodle.
The wackadoodle.
Listen, I understand your preference, but you can't try to convince me to call you something else that you're not.
Well, that's the thing. If I said I'm the Sheik of Arabic, and that's on me, but I can't expect you to call me that.
Yeah.
Duane, did I tell you about the female that was like, I go as they, right?
Oh, so,
yeah. You told us.
How many of you in there? I need to get paid multiple times.
I need to get paid multiple times.
Money's tight right now.
All I know is there's going to be a lot of New Yorkers coming down again.
Yep.
All right, 12-10 on this account. I'm done trading this account.
I'm moving to South Dakota.
I gotta be done. I'm just hitting a day, which is a great thing, but gotta stay consistent, lock in the profits. So I'm just hanging out at this point. Your boy's done trading for the day.
What you mean, 2,000 today?
Let me get the calculator out.
Oh God, not the calculator.
Yep, the calculator.
Just round it up.
Oh, I thought I was on the screen. Well, I am on the screen. I thought my chart was on the screen. That's my fault.
Well, we like watching you use the calculator. It's a high point of the morning. Look, he's pushing the buttons again. Can you believe it?
So annoyed today. So freaking annoyed.
So 28.98, 72 for the day.
That's beautiful.
So we'll gladly take that.
I'm over here.
For the people on YouTube, where you guys tuning in from?
So mad.
I'm looking at the chat. So if you got any questions, concerns, feel free to shout them out. Well, you can't shout. Text, put them in the chat.
Well, you could shout, but you're not going to hear them. So.
Well, actually, if they scream as loud as they can, I may be able to hear them, but they gotta just see for themselves. And what's crazy, I felt more comfortable, right? I did pretty good, just under 3K a day, but I felt more comfortable trading today because I wasn't in fear of going in drawdown, like $8,000.
Yeah.
I will say that the two contract, that's what's helping me, is because just sizing down has helped me be able to trade a little bit, have more confidence.
Yo, what the hell? How did he die?
This last 1 minute candle is so tight.
How did he pass?
Yeah, I see a bull flag on that 1 minute. Let's see if that plays out. But I've enjoyed having the higher times today, just looking at the higher times to keep me out of the chop.
Oh, that's crazy.
Because that's looking on the 2 minute more like a bear flag on the 2 minute there. And we've been getting bear flags all morning as well. Looking like a bear flag. I would even pull it down a little bit more. Let's see if we get follow through that. It's crazy. It's only 10:13. What else can we do that we can actually make really good money that quick? Like, just saying. Got that big old wick on that candle on the 5 minute.
So I'm so sorry. I laughed out.
I didn't know it was a joke, Moose. I'm sorry about that.
No.
Look at that candle.
No. I laughed at something I'm watching on social media right now. Oh man. I'm gonna show you real quick though.
Where are you putting it at?
Right here, I'm gonna go on the camera right now.
All right, let me look at the cameras. Yeah, I can see you.
Hold on. Wait. Oh man. Come on, bro.
It's all
You see,
fuzzy.
right? You see?
Yeah, I can't really see the
Florida,
picture.
Georgia.
All right,
Yeah,
so-
Florida and
so
Georgia.
the state of Florida, right? It says Georgia, and Georgia says Florida, right? So you know how we were saying that we were gonna get the we wanted all the New Yorkers were gonna come down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so people are going to Georgia instead.
Yeah. So people go to Georgia. Yeah, don't come here no more. Like it's already packed. That is hilarious.
Looking like a bear flag on that 5 minute chart.
Yes.
This would be the third bear flag on the 5 minute. And there she goes. At 11 o'clock, I gotta jet off this stream. I gotta call my management team. We have a new contract starting this weekend. I gotta get with them, and then on top of that, I gotta go to a doctor's appointment. Not for myself. My girl has a doctor's appointment, so gotta gonna go with her for that. We're going to keep it moving for the day. Solid day in the markets.
Oh, good. Nancy Pelosi's retiring. Get the fuck out. I just went over to the news to see what's going on.
All right, it's all right. It's trying to push, but I feel like this is just adding structure for a bear flag. Looking at this 5 minute, we would need to clear, I'd probably say, $516 for me to want to be like, okay, it's not going to be a bear flag. That's just me. And I said 516 just so that way it had a little bit extra room. Just so that way it can't do anything like stupid. We have that second target that we already passed through at the 486 for that target. We would need to get above that as well. But those targets, they act as support and resistance once we tap them and go through them. So we're going to see if we tap in and get rejected off of it to take us back down. But I'm looking for a big old bear flag on that 5. Nope. Popped up right there. Okay. We cleared that previous wick, getting ready to clear one of the big old candles that we had coming down as well. Sellers trying to step in here. We got that big old wick on the 2 minute. Let's see if the sellers have enough to pull this back down here. If not, once we cross through that 500 level, I'll start looking for a long to call out. Because we got that whole number, that 500, so we already know how the market moves. I wish the market could move like this each and every day when it's nice and clean without just chopping. All right, so we're pushing up. We got that 21 EMA coming up at the 520. Waiting for this to update so I can see my ranking with Tradeify. Oh, hot diggity dog. We'll take it. We'll take that. So I was originally at, I think the music just ended. Let me give us some more music here. So when I first started today, I was at like 13 and some change, 1,300 and some change. I'm now below the 1,000. I'm 969 on the leaderboard out of like over like 7,000 people.
Cool.
But my strategy is working. The strategy is working here. Just lock in consistent profits each and every day and let everyone else just blow up. Okay, so it's actually currently at 5,099 people. So people dropped off already.
Well, they saw you were in there and they didn't want to compete.
I wish that was the case, but in the bottom 30% of traders,
Another 720.
bro, you're trading that 100,000?
I'm at 1255. Sorry to cut you off. My bad.
No, you're trading that 100,000 account, or which one?
Yeah.
Because you keep calling out these big numbers. I'm like, man, he should be passing soon. But I remembered you gotta put a little bit more in on that 100K.
Yeah, double. I'm almost at 5,000 already. I'm like,
Oh, that's good.
I'm at 4,884. But I gotta go.
All right, get out of here. Get out of here.
See you later.
Yes, sir. Have a great rest of your day.
You as well. Listen, you're free later. I know I told you before, but you know, I'll call you and then you can play by ear.
Okay.
All right, cool. Bye, guys.
All right, man. So we're above this 21 EMA, above the first target. Next thing we're going up to would be that 15-minute range. 586 is the low of that 15-minute range for the day. Proud of myself. I didn't break my rules today. Want to pat myself on the back for that one because I almost broke my rule before 540. Not 5. Jesus. Before 9:45. I was getting ready to trade one of my funded accounts. In that account, I told myself I'm not trading until after 9:45. I switched over to it. I liked the market, but then I caught myself, switched to a different account. So proud of myself about that.
Yep. I'm gonna have to jump off in about 5 minutes.
Okay. Well, Vitone, do you want to stay on as well, or do we all want to take an early day?
Yeah, I'm good to take an early day.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, cool, man. Well, listen, I thank you very much for everything.
No, of course. Have fun with those tubes for the bikes.
Yeah, but I do have a tire spoon because I bought one, so it's the thing that goes in, so you don't like wreck the tube. So I'm gonna be smart about it.
Yeah, you're doing it smart. You're doing it smart.
Yeah, you could come over. You don't. It's not like you could visit once in a while. I mean, what the hell? No, I'm just kidding.
I got you. Can't do it today. Got the doctor's appointment, but we'll definitely connect
I
soon.
can bring the tube to the doctor. We could do it in the waiting.
Do it in the parking lot?
Yeah. All right, man. All right, Vitone. I'll talk to you.
Yes, sir.
Later.
Have a good day.
Yep.
Y'all have a good one.
All right, Vitone, you as well. Well, for the people still on YouTube, I truly, truly, truly appreciate you guys tuning in, hanging out with us. We're taking an early day. We made just under $3,000 on the day in just over an hour and change. What else can you do? They can make $3,000 almost in only an hour. Ask yourself that. Not many things. But have a great rest of your day. I'm going to be getting off. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay blessed. Stay safe. And remember, lock in those profits. Don't risk it. Just lock it in.